food. Baka mauwi ko yung food mo. Emma, you were able to meet with Sir ALV last
Oh
night.
yes, yes. Natin from day one, and they're here to support us. The team, kompleto na sila. Full force na po ito. I would just like to say thank you very much for all your support. Grabe. Ibang klase mga Pinoy, no? Kapag nagsama-sama sa bayanihan.
Your Q&A coach was also here
Yes,
last night.
we
We saw her.
talked. Yes.
And we also heard that the speech round was kind of cut by 15 seconds, so it's going to be shorter.
Yes.
Did you do any adjustments also? Ready
We
na.
added lahat.
Magandang araw po sa inyo at welcome back dito sa ating panibagong video. At mga kapolitika, dito naman po tayo sa mga final hot pick ngayon ng mga taga Thailand dito sa Grand Finals ng Miss Grand International. Dahil ayon sa kailang survey, lumabas na itong si Emma Tiglao ang mag-uwi ng corona at mananalo mamaya dito sa Miss Grand International Coronation Night. Pero bago ang lahat ay huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue. At officially ay inilabas po ng Grand Lism itong kailang final hot pick para dito sa Grand Finals ng Miss Grand 2025. So sabi nila ang maging winner daw mamaya ay si Philippines, Emma Mary Tiglao. First runner-up, Ghana. Second runner-up, Thailand. Third runner-up, Guatemala. Fourth runner-up, Spain. And then followed by Czech Republic, Tanzania, Venezuela, Indonesia at Mexico. So ito di umano ang Grand Lism final hot pick na nakabase sa Thailand. So hindi ito galing sa mga Pinoy na mga vloggers or mga influencers, kundi galing mismo doon sa mga nanonood, mga kapolitika. At even nga yung ating mga Filipino pageant correspondents na andon, mga influencers natin, mga vloggers, ay walang iba, walang bukang bibig kundi si Emma Tiglao. So base rin sa ating mga nakalap na impormasyon ay nagtulong-tulungan ang mga malaking mga vloggers natin dito sa social media, mga celebrities, para umabot ng 1 million yung mga reactions ni Emma Tiglao. Kung kaya pala ang bilis, mga kapolitika, unlike doon sa pag-uumpisa ng Miss Grand na umaabot lang ng 100,000 yung kanyang mga reactions, and ngayon ay huge 1 million plus yung mga nagre-react sa isang photo lang ni Emma Tiglao. Yung isa nga, yung kahapon ay sumabot ng 1.6 million. And then ngayon naman yung pinaka-latest is sumabot ng 1.1 million na ngayon dito sa social media platform ng Miss Grand sa kailang Facebook. So ito ay isang malaking indikasyon kung gaano kasikat, kapopular itong si Emma, and in fact ay makasaysayan ang kanyang nagawa or yung kanyang pagsali dito sa Miss Grand dahil siya ang kauna-unahang Pinoy na ipinadala ng umabot ng 1 million heart reaction yung isang picture, isang post para kay Emma Tiglao. Okay, so ang aking maging advice, ano po yung ating maging advice ito kay Emma Tiglao, dahil mamaya na nga po ang finals. Ang maging payo ko lang sa kanya is kailangan maging prepared siya. Okay, maging prepared sa emotionally, physically, mentally, socially, kung ano man ang maging resulta, kasi ito yung mga bagay, mga panahon, mga moment, mga kapolitika na hindi natin hawak, hindi natin kontrolado kung papanig ba sa atin yung kapalaran. Okay, so na kay Emma Tiglao ang pagdala, pagrampa, pagperform doon sa harap ng libu-libong katao na kinakailangan niyang ma-impress, kinakailangan na mahuli niya yung kiliti mamaya ni Nawat. Kung sakali, kasi sinasabi nila top 10 pa lang daw ngayon ang nasa isipan ni Nawat, so wala pa siyang final talaga kung sino yung kukurnan. Siguro mamaya ay depende doon kung sino ang mag-shine, kung sino yung sinasabi natin o matatawag natin na kumikinang na bituin doon sa finals ng Miss Grand. At yung ating ano lang naman request dito sa MJ, sana maging fair, patas ang magiging kompetisyon, na kukurnahan lang kung sino yung pinaka-deserve, mga kapolitika. Hindi natin sinasabi na kukurnahan agad sa Emma Tiglao. Of course, kung merong mas lalamang sa kanya at yun ang kinurunahan ng Miss Grand, ay wala naman tayong reklamo doon. Ang sa atin ay yung tinatawag na pantay-pantay para dito sa kompetisyon nila. Okay? So yun, at ang maging payo ko again kay Emma Tiglao ay maging prepared siya emotionally. At isa pa pala sa gusto kong sabihin at payo dito kay Emma Tiglao ay yung question and answer portion. Although wala itong ganoong bigat or weight mga kapolitika dito sa desisyon ni Nawat, dahil once makapag-decide itong si Nawat, yun na yun regardless of your answer dito sa Q&A. Pero sana naman ay maging maayos yung pagsagot ni Emma Tiglao. Yung kasi na-obserbahan ko dun sa mga even sa mga interviews niya, especially medyo kinakabahan siya, kaya yung sagot niya minsan is medyo paikot-ikot na lang. So dapat iwasan niya yun. Dapat kahit maiksi, basta direct to the point yung kanyang pagsagot. Okay? Kasi ano yun, parang negative na yun kasi yung dating kung medyo mahaba and then paikot-ikot lang yung kanyang sagot. So mas okay na siguro yung maiksi, very basic at napaka-simple na sagot. Dahil regardless naman kung maganda yung sagot mo, ang importante kasi dun is tama yung naging sagot mo at hindi paikot-ikot. At so far yun po ang ating update. Mga pinakasariwang kaganapan, pinag-uusapan dito sa Miss Grand International, dahil mamaya na natin malalaman kung sino ang mapalad na babae na makasungkit ng ginintuang corona ng Miss Grand. At magsisimula po ang competition mga kapolitika eksaktong alas 8 ng gabi. So maganda naman itong Miss Grand kasi pag sinasabing lang alas 8 ay alas 8 talaga magsisimula. Unlike doon sa Miss Cosmo na kung saan is delayed sila ng 1.5 or 1 to 2 hours. So napaka-unprofessional. At maganda itong sa Miss Grand dahil nasa loob sila ng Coliseum. So regardless what is the weather outside ay talagang the show must go on. Okay? So yun mga kapolitika, at ano po ang inyong maging reaksyon? Ano ang inyong maging advice dito kay Emma Tiglao, dahil mamaya na nga ang pinaka-inaabangan na Miss Grand Finals ng MGI 2025. Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue. Samantala, narito po ang pinaka-latest na interview ng mga candidate dito sa MGI live from Bangkok, and courtesy this video to Sir Adam.
Going forward with my performance and just remembering the training and also being myself and staying present in the moment as well.
Nice. We want to see a new gown tonight.
Yes, I will be wearing a new
Cuba is here mga ka-crown. Laban. Grabe, hindi ba yan finals gown? Breakfast gown pa lang yan ha. Breakfast to OTP mga ka-crown. That is Miss Grand Cuba, and you're seeing on your screens. Napakaganda naman. Parang finals gown yan na. Pwede na
keep doing this until the end. I love you guys. I love you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Adam. Best of luck. Ada. Okay, so sebentar lagi hiluk-hiluk dito ako buat Kak Eda, gimana? Tersebut.
Gracias. Hoy es el gran día, me siento súper feliz, confiada. Anoche tuve la oportunidad de tomar el baño, relajarme, pensar en mis cosas, en todo mi proceso para llegar hasta aquí, a este momento, sentirme confiada y tranquila para afrontar la jornada también de
Miss Myanmar!
Hi.
Oh, diba? Myanmar is really fired up for today's coronation night. Oh, laban. Yeah, we're seeing Miss Grand Angola. Also, hi, Miss Angola. How are you?
I'm good. I'm happy to be here and to be at this day, this final day. I'm excited.
One of the predicted winners. Potential predicted winners for Miss Grand.
Estoy me siento bien. O sea, pase lo que pase, no cambiaría nada de mi participación. Solo me miro atrás y digo, pero la gracia de
How are you? Wow.
Dios.
Any last minute preparation? That's it.
Awesome.
So I'm super grateful for their help, and I'm so ready and excited for today.
We heard the speech round was like cut by 15 minutes, from 1 minute to 45 minutes. Did you have any adjustments on the speech?
Yeah, we did some adjustments because it was like getting shorter.
Anyway, for swimsuit, down, all of it, you know, want to stay prepared because you never know what is going to happen. So you have to be ready at all times. That's how my mindset is.
We heard about the speech round being cut by 15 seconds.
Yeah, it's down 30 seconds, but that's how it works in the rehearsal. So, not a problem. We all adjust, yeah.
One of your strengths.
Yeah.
Any last minute conversations with your team, with Miss Grand Jamaica?
Yeah, it was all just, we know how hard, they've seen how hard I've worked up until this point. And,
Any last minute preparations?
Oh, in here, just preparing mentally, being calm today, having good rest before the show, and yeah, I'm just really want to enjoy it. I'm gonna miss it so much, so just really in here, and then it's good.
So any concerns about the speech round being cut by
No,
a few
actually, no. I believe I'm a good speaker, and I do not get scared before going on stage or talking to a lot of people. So I think that will be just one of the most fun rounds because you can just go do your.
We wish you all the best later, ha? Kailangan mo, isi-cheer ka namin. Lalapasan namin yung boses namin kahit na nakakaya sa
Serve niyo
kanya.
muna ha.
Yes.
Huwag mo na kayo masyado
Ay,
mag-ano.
yung food. Baka mauli ko yung food mo.
Emma, you were able to meet with Sir ALB last night.
Oh yes,
Any
yun na natin from day one, and they're here to support us. The team, kompleto na sila, full force na po ito. I would just like to say thank you very much for all your support. Grabe, ibang klase mga Pinoy, no? Kapag nagsama-sama sa bayanihan.
Your Q&A coach was also here
Yes,
last night.
we
We saw her.
talked, yes.
And we also heard that the speech round was kind of cut by 15 seconds, so it's going to be shorter.
Yes.
Did you do any
Shorter.
adjustments
Yes.
also? Ready na.
We had it lahat last night. So, ready na tayo for that.
Yeah, ako din, ngayon nag-goosebumps ako na mararamdaman natin mamaya sana ikaw ang tawagin na Council Power of the Year. Dahil hindi lang ito dahil sa'yo, kundi pagtutulungan ng lahat ng supporters and Filipino people.
I am a representative of every Filipino. Bitbit ko po kayo. Hindi lang story ko, hindi lang ako yung nandito. Kayong lahat bitbit ko.
Thank you so much, Emma.
Thank you!
Philippines beautiful.
Hola, hola,
hola,
buenos
Venezuela.
días. ¿Cómo
Hola,
estás?
Muy bien. Mira, happy to see you. So beautiful.
Muchas
So
gracias.
stunning. And you know, I have a friend from Mexico here.
Mexico!
Mexico.
You know what? In our province in the Philippines, we also have a place like that. Mexico, Pampanga.
Bambao. Really? Oh, really? You
Yes.
see?
So, do you have any pasalubong for me? Do you have pasalubong? Like a gift?
Again? He has something to tell you. Tell her what you told me. You see?
No, every Filipino is beautiful.
No, not like you. I told you to, and he confirmed, you see? So you look. Yeah, I know, but you don't like agree. It can be the back-to-back for Philippines. Technically. How do you feel about it?
I'm so excited, and I just want to ask for your support and for your prayers that God will give us strength later tonight.
Oh, well, I hope to see you shining. You are in my top 5, by the way, and the top 5 of everybody, so I wish you all the best.
I
Yeah.
think you tell that to all the girls.
No. My top 5 is you, Thailand, Venezuela, Guatemala, and Ghana. No, Czech Republic, sorry. I posted it. I posted. Sorry.
We all have the Philippines.
Thank you so much. Have a good day. Beautiful. Sabay monse.
I'm excited because tonight is the night, so I'm just asking for your support, and I just want to say thank you to all the fans who supported me since day one. Thank you, Kapita.
Emma, one more. One more for Mrs. Solid G also.
Emma Mary Tiglao, Miss Grand Philippines!
One more, please.
Mary Tiglao, Miss Grand Philippines! Parang iPhone 17.
Dominican, congratulations. You've been landing the favorites list. How do you feel about that?
I feel so grateful, amazing. It was an amazing experience. So the days.
Yeah.
So I feel so grateful. Thank you so much for all the support for Dominican Republic, and thank you for being here, supporting me, and support all the candidates.
Any
See you
last
tonight.
minute preparations, Miss
We
Dominican Republic?
relax, we concentrate because the work is done. Yeah, everything that I do tonight, we're so wait for the results.
Beautiful. Thank you. Thank you so much.
La vi a ustedes dos ahí en marcha. Ahorita la Flavia viene porque estaba metida más.
Ready to go right before finals. It's been a long time coming, so just ready to hit the stage and see what happens.
Okay, Ghana introduction. Introduction. This where Ghana.
Thank you, Maria Porter, your Miss Grand.
Okay, good luck.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Laban! Ayan ako, sumakay na si Emma.
Hola Corona.
Hermosa, feliz cumpleaños y mucha suerte para ti.
Gracias. Un beso, ya me voy. And I can't wait to show you the shorts of your
So beautiful.
And I want to say also thank you to all my fans because this will never be the same without you. And to your energy and your love every day. And I hope to make you all proud. Until the next one.
Yeah.
What do you
I
want?
don't be made money yet from Miss and Friends.
So let's say after you're done, what do you want to be
Maybe I will
remembered?
get a new one.
Yes, that's what I'm trying to
Ah,
say.
okay.
So, what do you want to be remembered for as Miss Grand Trans 2025?
También quiero hacer a todos ustedes por el tiempo, por esperarlo también, por estar
Me están
pendientes.
llamando, pero bueno.
Ah, bueno.
Hola, Isamar.
Hello.
¿Cómo estás?
Soy Argentera.
Gracias.
¿Cómo estás? Te agarro por
Muy
ahí.
bien. I met Michael last night. He was so nice. He was
Thank you.
Gracias.